Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1AAuto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
In this video, we're going to be working with our 1998 Ford F-150. We're going to show you how to remove and replace your vehicle's turn signal assembly on the front of the truck. If you like this video, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this and many other vehicles. And if you need parts for your truck, you can follow the link down in the description over to 1AAuto.com. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. To remove your headlight, lift up on the two tabs behind it. Now sometimes you got to wiggle them a little to get them to stay in place. And work your headlight out. You may be able to reach in from the back and push on it. And you got to make sure these tabs are fully disengaged. Over time they wear out and they tend to get a little stuck. Once that's out, you can unclip your headlight harness and remove it. On the inside edge of the fender is a 7mm screw. You'll want to remove that with a 7mm socket, ratchet, and extension. Once that's out, you can slide the turn signal assembly out of the grill, undo the tabs, and remove it from the vehicle. So here we have our old aftermarket parking lights that we removed from our truck and our new parts from 1AAuto.com. As you can see, there are some clear aesthetic differences here. Our old lights that we removed have a smoked lens and a black housing, where our new parts have the original clear lens and chrome housing. These are going to have a much nicer light output than these parts here are. Also looking at the quality, inside of this lens, the reflective material is actually chipping away and failing. On top of that, it is a black chrome, which isn't going to reflect light as well, hurting the light output. We also have the smoked lens, which is going to reduce that light output even more. So to make sure that your signals are nice and bright and clear so people can see you and know what you're doing, these new parts from 1A Auto will go in direct fit, just like your original equipment, and fix you up right. Plug in your headlight bulb and line up the pins with their slots. So the tabs here will sit in between these two slots and go through that hole. And you can see the lock plate and how that works there. So you will have to kind of hold this up if your spring's weak and it doesn't keep itself up there. You want to line up the rear ones at the same time. Now you've got your new headlight in place. For your marker light, we'll just plug that in, line it up, slide it into place. When it's all the way set in, your hole will be lined up at the top. We'll reinstall that 7mm screw. So on the driver's side of our truck, we have the old smoked housing headlights that we're removing from our truck and replacing with our new parts from 1A Auto. I think the difference is pretty clear here. Much brighter, much easier to see on this side. This side is very dim. It's difficult to see. You're not getting a great light output either from the blinker or marker or the headlight. Neither of those are really shining through as well as our new parts from 1A Auto are. These are facing straight ahead, right at level where they should be, and part of that is due to adjustment, whereas this one is actually shining on the wall over to my left, which is not what you want on the road. Obviously, you want to see in front of you. That's going to be shining off into the other lane, annoying other drivers, and not putting light on the road where you want it. Close your hood, and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.